We've made installing easy at Blinds in Print. All you need is a drill, a screwdriver and a pencil, and we will provide the rest. Step 1. Check what surface you are installing the blind into: plasterboard, timber or masonry. This will determine the drill bit that you use, and then if you need to use plasterboard or masonry plugs. Lay the blind in front of the window, ensuring that the chain control is on the correct side. You should have two different brackets, a pin end bracket and a control end bracket. Place the control end bracket next to the chain control. Place the pin end bracket at the opposite end. The brackets will fix your blind to the face of the window for face fitting, or the top of the window recess for recess fitting. Step 2. Mark where your pilot holes will be by placing the bracket against the wall, and use a pencil to mark where you will be inserting the screws. Drill pilot holes for timber screws or appropriate sized holes for masonry plugs. If you are using plasterboard anchors, simply drill these straight into the plasterboard. For masonry plugs, once you've drilled appropriate size holes, you will need to gently tap them into the concrete or brick first. Finally, screw the bracket into place and complete the process for both sides. Step 3. Once the brackets have been screwed into place, insert the control end of the blind into the control end bracket. Position the blind so that the chain hangs freely and will not rub on the chain cover when you raise and lower your blind. Now, turn the plastic cover on the pin end of the blind to retract the pin. Slot the pin into the bracket and turn the plastic cover to extend the pin and lock the blind into place. Please note, ensure that the blind is rolled up when fitting the blind into the brackets. Step 4. All blinds include a child safety device which must be used. In Australia, this is required by law. When attaching the chain safety device, allow the chain to drop to its natural height and screw the child safety device to the wall or frame under a small amount of tension. It is important that once fixed, the chain is reasonably taut. Step 5. Test the blind by lowering and raising it a couple of times. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your blind. If you need more help installing, check out our step-by-step instructions online or call our Measure and Install hotline to speak with an experienced installer.